This is a dining table top. She is welding and fabricating, just assembling it. Now she's welding it off. The first thing you do is assemble all of your pieces, tack everything up, make sure it's flat and level, and then the last thing you do is weld off the material, and then you start grinding it off to de-age it and smooth it out. But this is the process of metal fabrication. Making sure you have your table clamped down good is an asset. See how she got all her clamps spreaded out? Making sure that the tabletop stays flat while she's welding it off. This tabletop kind of looked like a UFO. This is the Becking dining table top.
Porosity.
And this is a woman fabricator. So y'all women out there that's thinking about welding and fabricating, she's leading by example. Hog on.